Hi everybody, today I'm going to teach you about an addition strategy called compensation of addition. Compensation of addition is when you bump numbers up or down to create friendly numbers. So what's a friendly number? 5, 10, 15, 20, 200, 3,000. Basically they're numbers of 5. They end in 0 or 5 because those numbers are easy to add in your head. Alright, let's do an example of 38 plus 24. In this example, I'm going to start by seeing how much it is so I can prove something to you at the end. So I have 3 10s, 30, 50, and then 8 and 2 make another 10, that's 62. All right, so remember that, I have 62. All right, what I want to do is I want to look at 38 and 24, and I want to decide which would be the best number to turn into a friendly number, 38 or 24. Well, I think I'll take 2 from the 24 and give it to the 38 because that will make a nice 10. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So what I did is I took 2 away from the 24, I gave it to the 38, that made my 38 40, and it made my 24 22. Now I can add it up. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 1, 2. 40 and 22 is 62. So what I want you to notice is that I did not add any extra blocks. I did not take away any extra blocks. All I did was move them around from one side to another. All right, your turn. Let's take 19 and 41. In this case, I can make 2 friendly numbers because I can take 1 from the 41 and I can give it to the 19. So if I take 1 from 41 and give it to 19, it turns my 19 to 20 and my 41 to 40, which makes 60. So I guess compensation means you take from the rich and you give to the poor. So I started with 41, I took 1 away, I gave it to the 19, and then I ended up with 20 plus 40, which gave me 60. But in the last example, I took from the small number and gave to the big number, and I still got the right answer. All right, well, anyway, the point is to turn your numbers into friendly numbers. Remember, numbers that end in 5 or 0, because multiples of 5 are easy to add in your head. All right, now it's your turn to do an example. 53 plus 78. The first thing I want you to do is build it. Now stop the video and try it out. All right. So here we've built our 53, and now we're building our 78. Check your work. Is this what you did? Now I got to decide, do I want to turn 53 to 55, or do I want to turn 78 into 80? I think I'm going to turn 78 into 80 because 80 for me is easier to add than 55. So I'm going to take 2 from the 53, and I'm going to give it to the 78. That makes my 53 down to 51, and it gives me a nice 10 for my 78. All right, so notice the math. I took 2 from the 53. I ended up adding up 80 and 50, and then adding the 1, and that gave me 131. So compensation means you take from one number and give to another number in order to make friendly numbers. Well, I hope this video helped you understand how to use compensation of addition.